Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Bitmoji on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app. Now go to your profile page by clicking on the Bitmoji icon on the top left corner. Now click on the settings option in the top right corner. Here you can see the Bitmoji option. Click on it. Here you are given with several options to change the outfit, edit the Bitmoji, choose a selfie and unlink the Bitmoji. Now click on the unlink my Bitmoji option, and if you're sure to remove the Bitmoji, click on the remove button, and that is how you can easily remove your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.